Annual cost of childcare for your kids is about the same as 1 year of in-state college tuition.
In Pima County, enrolling an infant at a child care center could cost more than $10,000 a year. Many parents are forced to decide between finding care for their kids or quitting their jobs. 9 Your Side's Jennifer De La Cruz breaks down what options are available to help out.
Arizona is one of the least affordable states for childcare in the country. The high cost leaving many parents with a tough choice.
Do I pay the rent or do I pay childcare? Do I have a car payment or do I pay childcare? You know, do I put food on the table or do I pay childcare? According to Childcare Aware of America, about 13% of a parent's income in Arizona goes toward childcare. But a lot of times it's more than that. What we see is it's really around 25 to 30% of the family's income, and possibly even higher if it's infant care. In Pima County, the average annual price per child at a child care center is about $10,000 for a child under 1 year, $8,700 for children between 1 and 2, and $7,800 for kids 3 and up. The costs adding up even more for single parents with multiple kids. In many cases, it's cheaper for parents to sacrifice their jobs than to pay for care.
We made the decision that I ended up leaving work because it was such a high cost to have 2 kids in childcare.
The Department of Economic Security offers assistance to some low-income families who meet their eligibility requirements. But if you don't qualify for that, the risks increase for the child because then they might be left at home or left with a family friend or neighbor who doesn't have the proper education and training or even criminal background checks to care for children. So children that fall within that gap are put at a higher risk. And leaving kids in the hands of someone unqualified could lead to disaster.
You try to look for options before looking at the big costs, not knowing that the quality of child care is what's important for a child. So my daughter eventually got hurt at a non-licensed child care.
A mistake that fortunately didn't end in tragedy.
She got up on a chair, sat on, a little wall that divided both rooms and fell backwards, hit her head. By an inch or two, the doctor told us that she could have broken her neck.
Child and Family Resources offers a referral program to help parents find the right child care for their needs. They provide families with a list of certified commercial and home child care centers that fit a variety of budgets. The University of Arizona offers a voucher program to help defer the cost of child care for eligible employees. Jennifer De La Cruz, KGUN-9 on your side.